Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor Odigoma Ohia, and in this video we are going to be discussing linear and quadratic graphs. What I'm going to do in this video is that I'm going to take you straight to my class where you'll be joining my students to learn how to solve problems of linear and quadratic equations using graphical method. And trusting God is going to be a whole lot of experience with you to join us there. You're welcome.
Okay. So I said anytime we are given a problem of linear and quadratic equation, the first thing we are expected to do is to make the table of values, right? Abi? So we make the table of the values, considering the interval given to us. So here we go. Solution. Write table of values for y equals to 4 plus x minus x plus. That's the title of your table. Are you there with me? Please, I told you we don't have time. We don't have time. We don't have time, please. Please, how long is it going to take you to settle down? So, we write the values. This is the x values. Our interval ranges from -2 to 4. Don't waste time doing anything we are doing now. From -2, okay, -1, then 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now we have okay. What's the first term we have there? It's the constant, right? You might choose to rearrange them, but also you can choose to write it as it is. We have y equals to 4 plus 2x. So you write for here, write 2x, and then minus x squared. Okay? And then finally, the y value. So a constant is always written across. Are we together? Yes. A constant is always what? Written across. So we write the constant across. 4, 4, 4, 4. Alright. Then 2x. The implication of 2x is 2 is multiplying all the values of x. 2 is doing what? Multiplying all the values of x. 2 is multiplying all the values of x. So for x being -2, I told you some time ago, I said have a space like this. And 2 is the multiplier. Okay? So if 2, you can choose any of these values can enter here. So when x is -2, 2 times -2 will give us what? -4. What about 2 times -1? -2 times 0. 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8. For 2 times 4. Then look look at this is minus x squared. Please don't be confused with this. Look at how you are going to treat it. Minus in brackets, then square. You get? Good. So whatever that the square gives you, minus will have effect on it. Are we there? Yes. Alright. Put minus 2 here. What do you have? Minus 4. No. 4. Minus 2 here. 4. First. 4. Then minus into that. We now give you what? Minus 4. Okay? So we have minus 4. Right. What about minus 1 here? 1. Minus 1 squared is 1. Then minus into 1 will give you minus 1. This is 0. Then 1 here will give you what? 1. Then minus into that will give you what? Minus 1. Minus 1. Then this is 2. Put 2 here. 2 squared is what? 4. Minus into 4. Minus 4. Minus 4. Put 3 here. 3 squared. 9. Minus into 9. Minus 9. Minus 9. What about 16? Minus 16. Minus 16. You're there. Alright. We now gather the y values. If you check out here, this 4 and remove this minus 4. And then we bring down minus 4. 2 of us. Okay. So here we have minus 4. Okay. What about this is minus 3, right? Minus 2 minus 1 give you minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Bring down 4. This is 6 minus 1, 5. This is 8 minus 4, 4. And this is 10 minus 9, 1. And this is 12.
Minus 4. Minus 4.
Minus 4. Okay. So we are through with the table for the quadratic graph. We now look at table of values for table of values of y equals to 2 minus x. 2 minus x. Sorry. So the x values are, I told us that you can choose some points here and all of them will definitely fall in line. So if we have minus 2 and 0, then we can choose 2 again, and then finally 4. All of them will definitely fall in line. Okay? So the first value we have here is what? 2, which is a constant, followed by minus x, and then the y values. Okay? So here we go. 2 is a constant, write it across. Then, what is the implication of this minus x here? Just like minus in bracket, whatever x is. You get it? So, minus into minus 2 will give us what? 2. Are you there? Yeah. Minus into 0. Minus into this will give minus 2. And minus into 4 will give minus 4. So we bring down the y value. This is 4, this is 2, this is 0, and this is minus 2. Okay? Now we are through with this table of values. We are through with this table of values. The next thing we do is to plot the graph. Are we there? So, in plotting the graph, I told us that we make a consideration of the intervals given to us. That's what we do. Okay? Are you through with the table? Yes. So let's look at the graph. Quickly. Make sure your graph has a title. 5. Graph of y equals to 4 plus 2x minus x squared, and the linear one is y equals to 2 minus x. So these are the two things we are going to put in this graph. Okay? And then the next thing we do is to graduate this graph. That is to define the x and y axis so that we can be able to get the coordinates of the points we are going to plot. Okay? Now we are looking at the interval given to us. Hello? The interval given to us is from what? -2 to where? To 4. From -2 to 4. Now, you don't have to come here and just share this graph into 2. I have emphasized that some time ago. You don't just have to come here and do what? And share this graph into 2. You put into consideration that interval that is what? That is given to you. Do you get? Yes. That interval says what? The range of x is from where to where? -2 to 4. And what is the scale also given to us there? Every 2 cm is 1 unit on x axis. So just look at what I'm going to do here. I'm not doing this thing like as if I know what I'm going to do already. So it is, you just keep on checking until you get exactly what you have to maintain is the scale given to you. You don't alter it. But you have to make sure that that graph perfectly fits in inside this space. You get it? So if I look at from -2 to 4, I can start from here and say if here is -2, every 2 cm, 1 unit. -2, here will be -1, -1. Let me see, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's okay. I think it's okay. -2, -1, here, 0. So let me just mark something here with my pencil, because I can clean it so that it can be easy for me to clean it if there is changes. Then I have gotten what I'm going to use for x-axis. What about the y-axis? I'm also going to consider the highest value of what? What's the highest value of y? 5. The highest value there is 5. They ask us to use what? 2 cm for what? 1 unit. 2 cm for 1 unit. That is 1, 2, 3. You see that 5 we jump outside. What is the minimum value? 1. The minimum value is what? -4. It's -4. -4. Oh, is it what is given there? Yes. Okay. So this is going to be 2, 4, 6. That highest value is covered already, right? Good. And this is 2. You see that 4 is not covered. -4. It's not covered. So I'm going to move this in a little bit here. And let me check for 5 again. 2, 4, 6. I think 5 is covered. So let's make here our origin. Okay? And not here. So that we have -2 and -4. I think that's okay now. Good. Thank you for that observation. Now we are going to share this graph as it is going to be. See, this is our origin. We have defined that, and then here will be minus 1. Here will be what? Minus 2. Everything is here for 1 unit on x-axis. So 0 here, 1, 2, 3, and here what? 4. This is our x-axis. X-axis. Now on y-axis, please, I'm trying to see if you can pick up and answer the important sub questions that are given in this problem. This is y-axis. Here is 2, 4. Apply that this last point is see, here should be 5. 5 because this is 6. And here, minus 2 minus 4. Now, the graph is set for us to make our plot. Are you where I am now?
Yes.
Yes. What is that? Please, can we do the plots?
Yes.
Let's take it. For the quadratic graph, let's look at the table and position the points. When x is minus 2, then y is what? Minus 4. So can we locate minus 4 here? Hello? Let's put our attention here. When x is minus 2, what is y?
Minus 4.
I think you can see it here.
Yes.
You mark that point. When x is minus 1, what is y? On the table. 1. So how do I read 1 now? Having known that from here this 2 cm is 2. I think you can quickly guess that here is 1.
Yes.
Good. So we can mark here as 1. Then when x is 0, what is 1? 4. Y is 4. Here. When x is 1, what is 5?
Yeah.
I think you can see it here. 5. Then when x is 2, what is y? 4 again, going back 4. Here. And when x is 3, y is what? 1. 1 is here. From here, this is 1. Here. And then when x is 4, y is minus 4. Okay. From minus 4, you go to. Now we have to join these points. Please make use of a flexible ruler or French curve if you have it. So that the curve nature of the points have to be very clear. Have to be very clear. Let me use freehand method to see what I can do here. I will try to see how this. Please, you see this point where this curve is going to pass through the x-axis. You have to make sure that it is curved because of the measurement, the reading we are going to take here. We have to make sure that, in fact, each and every of us, our results ought to be the same thing, plus or minus 0.1. Yes, because if there is wide variation in what we got, then means there is a problem. So, you're looking for me. That's all. Let me have your answers so that I can use it to verify mine. But before then, let's also add the linear graph. Quickly, if you have done this, join them. Join them. And then let's look at the linear one. When x is minus 2, y is 4. Minus 2 against 4 should be here. When x is minus 1, y is no, when x is 0. When x is 0, when x is 0, y is here. When x is 2, y is 0 here. And when x is y is minus 2, 4 and minus 2. So this one now is a linear graph. I can use my root and join them. I'm expecting some level of error in this. Not, because it's freehand. I use. Even though some level of error may not be now. It's going to be that. Have you done this one?
Yes.
The linear graph. Right? You can write here y equals to 4 plus 2x minus x. That's the curve. And this one y equals to 2 minus x. That's the linear graph. Think we are almost done. Then remaining for us to answer the sub questions that we have read. Reading this graph now is very, very important. It's a crucial part of whatever we are doing here. Let me check. Yeah, very This is not quadratic. Please, borrow this from that and use it. Please, our time is going. Let's begin to look at it. Can we take the reading now? Let's see. Please, I will need your attention here because this part now, you need to understand it. In fact, if you cannot be able to take the reading from this graph, obviously you didn't learn this. To be sincere, if you cannot be able to read this graph and do the explanations in it, obviously you didn't do anything. So please, you have to follow me as we look at the questions, the sub questions that was given there. What is the first one? The first question. What is the first question? No. The sub question D part of the question.
The end of the graph, find the solution of this pair of simultaneous equation.
Is that the first one? Is maximum. I think that's the first question I asked them. See? So we are saying, are we together?
Yes.
We are saying, find the solution. The solution of the value of x. Are we together, please?
Yes.
We are saying, the question says, find the value of x. Value of x for which this equation, this quadratic equation, y equals to 4 plus 2x minus x squared is what? Maximum. Is maximum. What does that mean? It simply means, please look here. This is the curve representing this quadratic equation. True or false? This is the curve representing this quadratic equation. True or false? Where is this curve at its peak? Here, right?
Yes.
That's exactly where the answer lies. You can also find it from the table. The higher value of y in the table is 5. Is 5. Now, you will say the value of x for which this is maximum is at x equals to, look at this. What's the value of x here? 1. At x equals to 1. And you can say the y value is y is equal to 5. Yes, the corresponding value of x there is 1 at y being 5. Is that made clear? The value of y there is 5 and the corresponding value of x is 1. I say you can also check it out in your table. It's also in your table. But it's good if you show it, you can be able to show it in this graph. Because they say from your graph, you get number 2, the second one. What's the next question I asked them?
With the aid of your graph,
With the aid of your graph, yes.
find the solution of this pair of simultaneous equations.
What was the pair of simultaneous equations?
Y equals to 4 plus 2x minus x squared.
That's the quadratic graph, right?
Yes.
Y equals to 4 plus 2x minus x squared. And y again?
Equals to 2 minus
2 minus x. This pair of simultaneous equations. There's an explanation I gave you people the other day. And I said in that explanation, is it wrong if I make this logical statement that 10 is equals to 5 plus 5 and the same 10 is equals to 4 plus 6? That is it wrong for me now to say that 5 plus 5 is equals to 4 plus 6? Is it wrong? No. We accepted that argument. So since y is this and also the same y is also this, so it's not wrong if we say that 4 plus 2x minus x squared is equal to 2 minus x. So the solution of this pair of simultaneous equations is where this quadratic graph intersects with this linear graph. Did you hear what I said?
Yes.
It lies where this quadratic, the curve for this quadratic equation intersects with. That's where they are the same thing. Where they are the same thing. And where are they? Look at this point of intersection. Can you see here?
Yes.
Can you also see here?
Yes.
Good. You will come here and follow here this intersection and go to y axis. Determine the value of y there. Also follow there. Come to x axis and determine the value of x there. These are the first pair of answers you get. You also come here at this point of intersection, follow it and go to x axis, determine the value of x there. Follow it again, come to this is very long. Follow it and come to y axis and determine the value of y there. The value here and the value here will give you the pair for that one. The value here and the value here will give you the pair for this one. Can we read them? The thing now is, how are we going to read this? You see that this thing is 10 tiny blocks. And it is assigned 2 units, right? Question now is, how will you know the value of one tiny block? Because you need to know this thing here. You see where the line is, this thing, this thing. You need to know what that place is saying. You need to know this one now divided this one into half. So we need to know what one block is so that we can share it into 2 and add it to the rest. You follow that? Yes. So let's on this place now, let's look at this place. This is 2. So give me 2 divided by 10. What is it going to be?
5.
2 divided by 10 divided by 2. 2
Okay. 0.2.
2 divided by 10.
0.5.
0.2. That is one tiny block here is what?
0.0.
0.2. Half of it will be what? 0.2 divided by 2. 0.2 divided by 2. 0.1. So that is to say this one that is divided into 2. We will take 0.1 and add to this other ones. You get it? Okay? So you say the solution to this way of simultaneous equations lies at the first part. what is x? X equals to, let's read what here is. And again, take note on this x-axis that there are 10 in number, and that 10 is assigned 1. It then means one tiny block here is 0.1. So let's read 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. I add point 0, 0 point what?
Wow. 0.25. 1.
This is 0.5, right?
Yes.
And you add 0.25, right?
Yes.
And that will give you what? Check in your
0.75.
0.75.
Yes.
Please verify that.
0.1.
Please help me and check 0.1 divided by 2. 0.1 divided by 2. What is it? 0.05.
Yes.
So we are 0.5 now. Okay? 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. I add 0.05 to it. It should be 0.55, I think.
Yes.
0.55.
Yes.
So this is at x equals to 0.55. Y equals to this part now. Let's read y here. You know, in y axis, each tiny block is 0. What? 1. No, not 1. 2. It's 0.2. Each tiny block is 0.2. Is it not what you said? 2 divided into 10 is 0.2, right? So this is 0. This is 2 now. This is 2.2. Are we there? Yes. This is 2.4. 2.4 and 0.1. You know, 0.2 share into 2 give you 0.1. 2.4, you add 0.1 to it. What is it going to be? 2.5. So it's at x equals 0.55 and y 2.5. And we also read here, this side. Must what? Are you distressed? Where are you coming from? They say, that error, definitely is not right. So please, I got 2.5 and somebody is getting 2.6 here. You see that the error level is not, this. It's just an interval of 0.1. So I use this. But my concern is just to portray and understand it, so that you can see what is accurate, more accurate. Can we take the second part? Let's go into cameras. Look at how we got. We said from here to here is 2, right? And what is that? We don't know what each of these values. 0.2. So that means here 2.2, 2.4, and then this is supposed to be 0.2. We share it into 2, meaning 0.1. And you add it to 2.4 to be 2.5. Do you get it? Please, can we look at this side? Can we look at this side?
Yes.
I am trying to meet up with time. I don't know. What is going on here? This is 3, right?
Yes.
3.1.
Yeah.
0.2. 0.3. 0.4. 0.5. 0.6. And
Plus
0.3.6 plus
0.5.
0.05. 0.05, right? That's 0.1 divided into. So this will give us what? 3.65. 3.65. So this is the first page of our solution. The second page is at x equals to 3.65 and y equals to what is the y value? The corresponding y value there. The corresponding y value there. Look at it. Yeah? What is this place going to give us? What is it going to give us? We say that each block is 0.2. Oh yeah, 2 minus 0.2. We are going backward, or you can read it from here. 1.8. Oh yeah, take away 0.1 again. Then 1.7. 1.7. Look at what I'm saying here. Oh yeah, look at it. Oh yeah, let's read it from here. This is 0, right? 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 0.1. You understand? No, 0.8, 1, minus 1. 1.1, 1.2, 1.4, 1.6. Then 1.6 now. 1.6. What are we going to add here?
0.0.
0.1. 0.2 divided into, this is a very small part, but let's just make it 0.1. So this will be 1.1.
7.
Please, your graph should be more accurate than this. That will be minus. I hope you know we're in the negative direction.
Yes.
Minus 1.7. Minus 1.7. This is how to find the solution of this pair of simultaneous equations. One is linear and one is quadratic. One is linear and one is quadratic. Is that clear? Like I said, you that use French curve to be more accurate. Please, can I have your answers and check whether it corresponds to what I have here? Because I use French curve. Who has gotten the first pair, the other side? Who has read his or her own? You have read your own. Yes. What do you have this side? Did you get 0.55? The same thing. That's good. Your own is what? And I now 0.5. What about y? The corresponding y value? 2.5. That's good. Now, this second page, who has got answers for this? Yes. You also got that? Yes. You got this one, 3.1. And you got 3.55. I got 3.65. And you got 3.7. Then you got 3.55. What about the corresponding y value? Minus 1.7. Exactly what I have. Any other person? Some of you are just looking at me, which is not good. Maybe you will learn it on your own later. So please, we are through with our discussion. I think this is our last class for this day. Tomorrow, I am going to come here and give you a problem like this. And you go to your various groups and do what? Solve the problem as I have done it now. And submit all the graph and the table of values. Did you hear what I said? Please, that's what we are going to do tomorrow. It's going to be a group test. So I will give you the problem. You rush to your groups and yes, one graph, one solution. All of you put heads together, solve it, and then give it to me.
You're welcome from the class. I am sure that exercise was very, very helpful to you. But if not so, right here, I'm going to be showing you, is this time around is going to be between me and you alone. I'm going to be showing you how to solve that same problem we did in class in a in a one-on-one conversation. I'm going to be detailed. That's why I'm going to position my camera in such a way that you're going to see the detailed explanation of how to do that graph right here. Okay, so it's going to be in, I will do the table here on this board and then do the graph here. You're going to watch me do it. Then it's going to be between me and you in a more detailed explanation. And trust God, you're going to enjoy it. You're welcome. Please stay put. Thank you.